Hello, good morning. This is Naz from NB Network Lessons. Hope everyone's doing okay and in high spirits. Topic of discussion is mental math. If on the board I have two numbers, 3 raised to power 22, the exponent is 22, and then the other number is 2 raised to power 33, the exponent is 33. Just by looking at these two numbers, can you tell me which number is bigger? Well, it's hard. It's not easy, just by looking at these two numbers and say which one is bigger, unless you punch them in the calculator. However, the trick over here today is how to solve this mentally. All right. So before I dive in, just a refresher for all the algebra students, math students. When you have something like this, let's say 2 raised to power 2, and then this whole thing has another exponent which is 3. What does that mean? What this means is that these two exponents are multiplying with each other. So then I can write this as 2 raised to power 6. All right. Another example. Let's say you have 3 raised to power 3, and then there is an exponent which is 4. So I can write this as these two exponents multiply. So then I can write this as 3 raised to power 12. Now we're going to use the same philosophy in order to solve this and find out if this is bigger or this is bigger. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. So if I do 3 raised to power 11, or 3 raised to power 2, and then this whole thing raised to power 11. 2 times 11 is 22. So essentially, this 3 raised to power 22 and this expression right here are same. Let's see if we can find this one. So then we can write this as 2 raised to power 3, and then this whole thing raised to power 11. So then 3 multiplied by 11 is 33. So essentially this is same as 2 raised to power 33. Hope you agree with that. Pretty straightforward, neat. So let's go ahead and further open this up. So 3 raised to power 2 is going to be 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. So this is going to be 9 raised to power 11. Let's open this up. 2 raised to power 3, 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. So that's going to be 8 raised to power 11. Now, if you look at it, makes sense. You can say, oh yeah, this is bigger. 9 raised to power 11 is bigger because you have the same exponents. All right. This is also raised to power 11. This is also raised to power 11. 8 is smaller than 9. So this number is bigger. All right. So that's what I wanted to show you, how easy it is, to solve these sort of things in your brain. You just need to practice. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked it. If you like the contents, I would appreciate if you can go ahead and give me a like, and I'll see you till next time. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.